Good morning, student. Today we are going to start how to measure the angles. To measuring the angles, we all of you have a protector now. All of you know the protector, a semicircle shape like this. Okay, a semicircle. This is a protector. All of you have geometry box. You all know it. This is a protector. With the help of this one, we are able to measure the angles. In this protector, there have two sides. One is inner side. Okay, this is called our baseline. Okay, this is called our baseline here. Okay, this is your inner side, and this is your outer side. Okay, now in inner side, here it start from here. This is your 0 degree. Start from this one. Okay, this is the baseline. It start from 0 degree, and here it is 180 degree. Here it is 180 degree. Okay, and this is the our mid region. It is 90 degree. 90 degree both side. This is the outer side is just opposite of the inner side. Okay, it is opposite angle. To find out the opposite angle of that, we use this outer side. Clear? And to measure the angles, we use degrees. Now all of you, suppose here 10 degree I have to write, so 10. Here you have to make a small 0 here. Okay, so it shows that it is a degree. Okay, hope that you understand that. One scale begin with 0 degree on the right and run to 180 degree on the left. The other scale begins with 0 degree on the left and run to 180 degree on the right. Here others are here. It is also start from 0 here and end where? Here it end. Okay, it is the outer side. Okay, now we are going to start classifications of angle. In this we learn about how you can use the protector. Okay, now here in classification of angles, our angles are divided into 7 parts. First one is acute angle, second right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, and zero angle. If we talk about acute angle, acute means an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90. So it is called acute angle. Okay, so here you can write more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, so it is acute angle. Okay, now we come to next, right angle. In right angle, an angle whose measure is 90 degree. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. Whose measure is 90 degree. Okay, so it is our right angle. Okay, now we talk about obtuse angle. In obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse. Clear? Now we come to straight angle. In straight angle, here a straight line is there. Angle is 90 degree. Measures angle is 180 degree. Measure is 180 degree. Okay. Suppose this is our straight line now. So if we measure this line, then you get here 180 degree. Okay. Now in reflex angle, it is an angle whose measure is more than 180 and less than 360. More than 180 and less than 360 degree. Okay, so it is reflex angle. If we talk about complete angle means complete 360. Okay, complete 360. An angle of measure 360 degree. measure is 360 degree. And if we talk about 0, its measure is an angle of measure 0 is called 0 angle. इसका measure कितना रहेगा? 0 degree. Okay. So I hope that you understand that. Once again, I make a structure so that you easily understand that. More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Suppose here this type of structure is there. You have to place a protector here. Here you have to place a protector here. This is your baseline, and you see, if we talk about 90, this is there, na? Here this ray is, this is about 90. Here you see this line is the angle of this one is less than 90. This is 90. Okay, this is 90. Okay, it is less than this one. This one. So it is acute angle. Okay, it may be, suppose this one is there, so it may be 55 degree, near about 50 or 55 degrees there. Okay, so it is more than 0 but less than 90. Clear? And if we talk about right angle, measure is 90. So measure is 90 na. So this is the way. Here if we measure with protector, with the help of protector, you see it is 90 degree. Okay, here you see it is 90 degree. If we talk about this obtuse angle, more than 90 and less than 180. More than 90 means here this arm come in this side like this. This is our baseline like this. Okay, it is more than 90 degree but less than 180. And if we talk about straight angle, its measure is 180. This is a straight line. Here we measure with protector. You can see here it is 180. You get the measure 180 degree. And if we talk about reflex angle, more than 180 and less than 360. More than 180. Now here this is our baseline and it go to like this. Okay, so here you see it is more than 180 na? Yes, yeah, it is more than 180. If we talk about 80 figure is like this. Okay, so it is more than 180, so it is but less than 360. So it is our reflex angle. If we talk about complete angle, measure is 360 na? Complete angle measure is 360 means, suppose this one is there and one second hand is also come here like this. So measure of this one is 360. Okay, it is complete angle. Clear? Okay, now we come to 0 angle. 0 means nothing is there, only 0 is there. Okay, the angle is on this one like this, 0 angle. Okay, so these are the classifiers. Dear students, you all have to learn this. In acute angle, it is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Okay, in right angle measure is 90 degree. Okay, and obtuse angle more than 90 degree and less than 180. Okay, in straight angle measure is 180 degree. With the help of this figure you easily understand that. Now in reflex angle more than 180 and less than 360. Okay, here you see this is more than 180 and less than 360. This one is 180 na. Here two lines are there. Okay, two arms are there. This is the center point of that. Okay, this is the under arm. So next arm is more than 180 and less than 360. And in complete angle measure is 360. Okay. So in this way you are this is our classification of angles. After this we go to exercise. Okay, one more thing is there that I have to discuss. Pair of related angle. Now here we talk about complementary pairs of related angles. In this complementary angle, two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of measure is 90 degree. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of measures is 90 degree. Suppose there have 30 degrees given here and another one is 60 degrees given here. Okay, so when you add these two you get how much? 90 degree. So yes, it is these two sides are complementary. Okay, sum of two angles is 90 degree. Okay, in complementary, sum of two angle is 90 degree. Okay, if it is less than or greater than 90, so it is not possible to make, you can say that these two angles are not a complementary. Okay, neither less nor greater. Clear? And if we talk about this one, supplementary, in supplementary angles, here sum of two angles is sum of two angle is sum of two angle is 180 degree. Okay, then you said that that is a supplementary angles. Clear, all of you? Suppose here I write 110 plus 70 degree. So you get how much? It is 180 degree. Then you said that these two angles are supplementary. It is clear? Hope that you understand that. Now we come to exercise. Okay. Now in this exercise, in this first question is here, measure the following angles using a protractor and fill in the blanks. Now here a figure is given here in your book. You have to use the protractor here like this. Here you see, here in downside here where 0 is there, this is called your baseline. You have to keep baseline here, place it here. Okay, place it here, this is your baseline. Okay, place it here, and after this you see the under one, next ray. Okay, so you see that angle PQR is how much? It is 55 degree. Okay, so in this way you have to find the angles. Clear? Suppose question number 2 is given here. In question number 2 they have a this is B part. This is question number 1. A part is there, B part is there. Now look, this one is like this structure. Okay, so here this is our protector. Here you see they have a midline and this is the baseline. Okay, here you see 0 is there na. This is our baseline. You have to keep protector like this. Okay, like this here, and here you see it is our, it go to this one, and here this go, you have to keep this one, and after this measure it. So by measuring it you get how much? Here you get, this is name of this one is LMN na? This is our L, this one is M, and this one is N. So measure of this one is how much? Angle L, M and N. It is how much? It is 90 degree. 90 degree means it is also called right angle triangle. Okay, so it is, you say that it is a right angle. Okay, it is not a triangle, it is a right angle. Clear? So you can write like this. So in this way you have to find out the in this way you have to measure the angles. Clear? Hope that you understand that. Now we come to next. Rest question you all have to do by yourself. Okay, now measure each of the following angles are mentioned whether it is equivalent to select. So hope that you understand that first question. Here you have this is the baseline. Here you have to keep this here like this, and after this you have to measure it. Okay, perhaps you are unable to see this one here. Okay, here you see this ray go to 55 and this one is 0. Okay, you have to keep it properly, fix it, and then you get the accurate result. Okay, and now we come to next. Measure each of the following angles and mention whether it is acute, obtuse or right. To do this, here you see ABC is given here. Again you have to measure it. Okay, like this you can measure it. Now here you see it is greater than the first one. It is greater than 90 na. It is greater than 9. It is near about how much? 110. So it is greater than 90. It means it is obtuse. Obtuse na? Yes. So first one is obtuse. So in this way you have to find out. This one is less than 90. Okay, with the help of protractor you can easily see this. Let I make for you. In question number 2, here this type of figure is there, na? Now here you see this is greater than 90 here. This is the 90 na? 90 means this one. This is 90 na? Now this arm is greater than this 90. So it means here it is obtuse. Okay? This is our 90. Okay? Now next in B part you see this type of structure is there. Okay? Now here it is less than 90 but more than 0. This is our baseline na? So it is acute. Okay? So in this way you have to find out which one is acute, which one is right angle, which one is obtuse. Okay? You have to measure it and do it. Clear? Okay, now we come to next question number 3. Classify each of the following angles are acute, obtuse or right angle. The same question is given here. If 46 is given here, 46 degrees given here, it means it is less than 90. So it is acute, greater than 0 but less than 90. Next one is if 90 is given here, so it is our right angle. Okay? If there have 102 degree means greater than 90, it means it is obtuse. If 88 is given here, 88 means less than 90. Less than 90 na? So less than 90 means acute. Okay? And if 128 is given, it is also greater than 90 but less than 180. It means it is obtuse. Okay? 92 is given here, obtuse. 176 is given here, it is obtuse. Okay? Okay, this much is there. Now we come to next question number 4. Here in question number 4, which of the following pairs of angles are complementary? To find out this, complementary, I already told you that in complementary sum of two angle is 90 degree. Okay, sum of two angle is 90 degree. Then you said that these two angles are complementary. Okay, so first one is, suppose in question number 4, first one is A part. Here it is 50 degree and 30 degree is given here. Sorry, 130 is given here. Now you have to add it. By adding it, 50 degree plus 130 degree, how much you get? 180 degree. After this you have to write, yes, it is complementary. Okay, student? Hope that you understand that. For complementary, sum of two angle should be sum of two angle is 90 degree. Okay? So here you see two angles are given here. You have to add these two, and if you get, sorry, here it is 180 na, it is not a complementary, it is supplementary. Okay? It is supplementary. So you can write here, no, it is not a complementary. Okay, here you can write here, no, it is not a complementary. Okay? Because the definition is here, the sum of two angle is 90 degree. And here you see 50 plus 130 degree is given here. And sum of these two is 180. Na? So it is not a complementary. Question is asking about that which of the following pairs of angles are complementary. Okay, for complementary we know that sum of two angle is 90 degree. Okay, hope that you understand that. I do next one. Suppose B part. In B part there have 42 degree and 48 degree. 48 degree. Add these two. 42 degree plus 48 degree, keep in a bracket. So you get here how much? 8 plus 2 it is 10, 4 plus 4 8, 8 9. So it is 90 degree. Now yes, it is, you can say here, yes it is complementary. Hope that you understand that. Okay, next question you all have to do by yourself. Okay, now we come to next question number 5. So in question number 5 they are asking about supplementary. In supplementary we know that sum of two angle is in supplementary sum of two angle is 180 degree. Okay, so first example is here that a part 54 degree plus 36 degree. Now here you have to add this one, 54 degree plus 36 degree is equal to 90 degree. So here you see it is 90 degree now. So you can say here it is not a supplementary. Here answer is no. Clear? Now we come to next. If there have 72 degree and 108 degree. Now you have to add this 72 degree plus 108 degree equal to how much? 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now here you have to write yes, it is supplementary. So in this way you have to find out what supplementary angles, complementary angles. Hope that you understand that. After this same question is there. Write the complement of each of the following. Now in question number 6 you have to find out the complement of each of the following. Okay, this question we are going to do. Now we do this question number 6 here. In this you have to find out write the complement of the following. Complementary angle you have to find out. Suppose this is your question number 6, A part. Suppose 43 degrees given here. You have to find out their complement. Okay, so 43 degrees given here. We know that in complementary angle if sum of two angles means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. So if one angle is 43, so other one is, what you have to do? You have to write like this. Complement of 43 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 43 degree. Then you get 10 minus 3 it is 7. 8 minus 4 it is, it is 4. Okay, so in this way you have to find out the complementary angles. Clear all of you? So it is 47 degree. So the next one is 47. In this way you have to find out. If question will come, so you have to if question will come, then you have to do in this way. Clear? Hope that you understand that. Now we come to next question. Suppose there have 80 degree. This is your F part. 80 degrees given here. So the complement of 80 degree is complement of 80 degree is equal to 90 minus 80 degree is equal to 10 degree. So this is the complement of this one, 80 degree. Clear all of you? So in this way you have to find out the complement. Clear? Hope that you understand that. In this supplement we know that sum of two angle is 180. So question is here, you have to find out the supplement of the given, given angles. Now first one is here, a part, it is 30 degree. Suppose 30 degree. You have to find out the supplement of this one. Okay. So what you have to do? Same thing here. Supplement of 30 degree is, now supplement means sum of two angle is 180 na. So you have to subtract from 180 here. Okay. So 180 degree minus 30 degree. So you got how much? It is 150 degree. So supplement of 30 degree is 150 degree. It is clear? Hope that you understand that. Next question you all have to do by yourself. Hope that you understand this exercise. Okay, bye student.